The FX-901 is a lightweight, portable, battery-operated soldering iron from Hakko. Powered by 4 AA alkaline or nickel metal hydride batteries, the FX-901 will operate above 600 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 120 continuous minutes, depending on the battery type. The compact iron features an ergonomic handle, quick-change composite tips, and a protective safety cap that turns off the unit while covering the tip. Hakko's FX-901 is the perfect tool for electricians, field service technicians, maintenance personnel, hobbyists, artists, and homeowners. It provides an easy, safe, and cordless way to solder anything while on the go. To learn more, visit this product page on digikey.com.